Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post in LinkedIn. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So without posting, your LinkedIn profile is like a dead page and you want to make it active. So you have to post it. So for that, you have to open up LinkedIn application on your mobile phone. If you are on laptop or PC, you guys can also open up the LinkedIn application on your laptop or PC. And after opening that, you have to just simply make sure that you are logged in with your account. So after logging in with your account, you have to just simply go to home page. Now you guys can see you are by default on directed to home page. So in order to post, you have to do is just simply go to this plus section here in the post, which is the middle option in the below corner. So in the below panel, just simply hit this plus section, which is post. Just simply tap on that. So after tapping on that, here this kind of interface will appear. Here what you have to do is just simply share your thoughts about the post which you want to post. So I'm just tapping on just something like random. And if you want to add a picture or attach a media or attach a video or document, then you guys have to just simply click on this picture button, which is below right corner. Just simply tap on this option and you guys can be able to see your phone gallery will be opened here. Now here what you have to do is just simply select that specific media which you want to attach to your LinkedIn post. So after selecting that specific media, you guys can just simply add another documents by just tapping on this plus button, and you guys can also add media, template, event. You guys can also celebrate. You guys can just simply post a job or add a poll, add a document, a services. Lots of options according to your post. So in order to post, you have to just simply click on the top right corner of post button. So after tapping on that, your LinkedIn post will be shared and you guys can in this way post on LinkedIn. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.